1600 Forest Road, written by Paul Ledford. I live in the most interesting neighborhood. Let me introduce you to my friends. Everyone looks different and lives very different lives. Lizzie B and her big family stay super busy. They have a zillion brooms to clean all those rooms. Harry Lion is single and hairy, but wants to get married. He gets really hot when he cooks his favorite tater tots. There is a snake named Larry who looks scary, but every time he hisses, he gives people kisses. Ray the Owl and his kids sleep when it's bright. Then the whole family stays up all night. Tiffany thinks she's a star with her fancy sports car, but she's just a regular cricket with lots of speeding tickets. Judd and the pig family stay covered in mud, but his mom gets mean if their rooms aren't clean. Steph the worm is the best chef. She makes delicious dirt spaghetti and the dirt cake you see on the left. Right next door is a family of rabbits, but they're always busy ordering carrots on their tablets. Black Widow Jill is a single parent with a strong will, but this motorcycle riding spider is always looking for a thrill. My friends and I live very different lives, but will always depend on each other until the end.